Hey y'all, I have the perfect thing for your sweet tooth. We're about to make some crack. Okay, well the real name for it is chocolate chip fluff, or you can call it chocolate chip crack. That's what Greg calls it because it's so addicting that you cannot stop eating it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with 2 cups of heavy cream. And I'm just gonna pour this right into our bowl. And then we are gonna add a 1/4 cup of softened cream cheese. Let me find a spoon. There we go. So it's very addictive, and our family loves this. Now you're gonna add a package of Jell-O. So they have all kinds of Jell-O now, and one of my favorites is the one that's called white chocolate. They didn't have that at the grocery store yesterday, so I just got the cheesecake kind. So you can use anything in this, vanilla, French vanilla, whatever you want, but just a package of this, a small package of pudding, instant pudding, okay? So I'm gonna use the cheesecake brand. And then we're gonna put in some brown sugar. So you can make this as sweet or as, or non-sweet as you want. I'm just gonna eyeball this, but I'm gonna put about 1/2 cup in there. And if you want it a little sweeter, then add some more. And if you don't want it as sweet, add some less. All right, now we're gonna blend it with a mixer, all right? Now this part here does not take long at all. I mean, it's gonna get pretty fluffy in just about a minute or 2. That does not take long at all. Maybe not even a minute. Look at that, it's already fluffy. Just kind of lift it out of there to get that off the rest of your beaters. Give it a taste test. So good. Everybody's gonna love this. This will be great to take to a gathering, or just keep it in the fridge and snack on it. So normally you would put the mini baby chocolate chips in there because it's easier to spread onto things, but you can't find the mini chocolate chips in milk chocolate. So I love these Ghirardelli milk chocolate chips. I mean, these are good just to have a bag around just to snack on. So I'm gonna use these. If you wanna use the mini chocolate chips, then use those. So I'm gonna put the whole bag of this in. Look at these. They're just big and luscious and chocolate chip crack. So you can just leave this right in the refrigerator, and when you get a hankering for something sweet, just get you a big bowl of it. Or what you could do is just put it on a platter and put some graham crackers around it. That's how we like to eat it. We like to eat it with graham crackers, just like this. Let's taste it. One of my favorite things is chocolate chip cookie dough. And if you are a big chocolate chip cookie dough eater like moi, this is your dessert right here. It's just like you're eating chocolate chip cookie dough, and you don't get in trouble from your mama because she says it'll hurt your stomach and make you sick. This is so, well, this might if you eat a whole bunch of it. All right, now I'm going to show you how to make some other little things. So you can make it in a platter. I'll get a platter. Let me make a platter up real quick. All right, look at that. Just like that. And set it around, and then everybody can just put a spoon in there, and they can just get that and spoon it right onto their graham crackers, just like that. Or you can go and get these little clear cups. They have them in all sizes, and you can crumb up your graham crackers and then just layer it and make some little crack cups. Just like that. Layer little graham cracker in there. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? This is the perfect dessert for a chocolate chip cookie dough lover. All right, so y'all try this out because you're going to love it. And everybody have a fantastic day. We'll see ya. One more bite. So good.